So this is the home page over here, and this is the product section that we have developed. Below we have the testimonial section and the waitlist over here. Here the user can see the pending projects or future plans over here. And at the waitlist, if he or she enters his email and message, it goes to our email, and this is the chatbot. Uh, when the user this the user can contact to the customer service and ask any doubts related to the products. So I'm logging into the admin panel. So I have written message over here, and I get a message over here also. This is the Focus Mate extension we have developed. So this is the basic YouTube feed that the YouTube provides to us. And when we enable our extension over here and reload the website, and we can click on the extension over here. We can see the developer section, the study mode, and the entertainment mode. And when we go below, we have the custom filters section where we can filter our feed or videos, suggestions, recommendations to a related topic so we don't get distracted. So let's find education section and let me click on it, and let's make changes over here. And now whatever content you see is related only to education. It might be academics or tech and programming, things like that, or physical education. After that, okay, now let's search for web dev simplified. Let's see TypeScript. No, TypeScript, and let's enter. Let me click on any video over here, and this the video is playing over here. Let me click on the extensions panel and get link of the current tab, and let me click on get summary. Now I can get all the summary of this video with the channel name, title, and summary. And let's download the summary over here. I can open notepad and see the summary. So this is the normal video. When I play any video, it comes like this. But as soon as I enable my extension over here and reload the website, I can see subtitles over there, and currently it's in English and Hindi. If I hover on any word, I can get the meaning or synonyms in Hindi. I can go to settings and change the language over here. Let me change Hindi to, let's say, Telugu. Let me click on Telugu and close that pop-up over there. And if you wait for a few seconds, it has been translated to Telugu. And now when I click on settings panel again, and oh no, okay, it has translated. So let me just hover on each word and you can get synonyms of it. So I can click on that settings panel again. Let's change to any other language, or you get the point, right? Just click on the drop down and click on any other language. So I can easily turn off the extension over here using that. And after that, there is an ad over here. Let me skip the ad. After that, at the right side, I can see the time stamps and the things over there, and I can see the tutorial section over here, or like how to use this extensions and things like that in the help section. And if I go to save, I can save a particular words which I don't know the meaning and revise later. I can also download the subtitles over here. After I click on download, I get a txt file. Let me open it, and you can see the translation, subtitles, and timestamps over here. Currently we are working on like excel file, json, and html. Currently it's not done. And let me toggle the stamps. I can remove the stamps over here and even enable it. This is basically a questionnaire in which he or she can identify their perfect or ideal laptop. Due to this software, also lot of time saves, as some students or new freshers buy a laptop. Before buying a laptop, they do 1 or 2 month research. So this quiz might save their time also, and we can also earn money by putting affiliate Amazon links over here, and it is easy for the students also to find their ideal laptop, and customer satisfaction is also there. So when we click on start, a basic questionnaire comes over here. If you were to buy a new laptop, what would be your ideal budget? So let's choose 50K, and for the operating system, let's go for Windows. What will be your primary use? Say office work, and let's say 8 GB and 14 to 16 inch. So we get the ideal laptops over here. When I click on buy now over here, it redirects me to the Amazon web page. Here we can put affiliate links and what do you say, earn money or something like that. And coming to the code, actually the as this is a prototype, we have limited laptops over here. We just have 3 laptops over here, and it is also a dummy data. But we can use this project or create a backend API, or like web scraping from Amazon, Flipkart, etc., and create a backend API and fetch from that API and do all these things. All the logic are same, just the JSON structure should be the same. So it will work. For this project, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And the Figma design we have done. Let me show you that also. We have got the images from Canva, and this is the homepage, Figma design, and extension one. Okay, here is that design over here. This is the AI proctored quiz application that our team has developed. So basically, we need to enter our name. Let's say Akash, and Gmail, sigma@gmail.com, and let's enter our phone number. Now when I click on start, it asks me to read questions, and this feature is given for blind people so that the software reads the questions and he or she can answer it. So let's click on OK.
What is the value of f(0) when f(x) equals 32x plus 6? Option A, 2. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. Option D, 38.
So as you can see, it is detecting my face and also reading questions and options. If I click on 1, 2, 3, and 4, it denotes A, B, C, D options. For example, if I click on
Answer captured.
C,
Find the value of A, if x is a factor of x3, x2 plus 2x plus a, 1. Option A, 1/3. Option B, 3/1. Option C, 8. Option D, 3.
So now I will be restarting the quiz, and this time I will be selecting no for reading the questions, so it will be easy for me to also explain it. Let me say Akash and qa.6sigma@gmail.com, 6sigma@gmail.com, and let me go for phone number, and let's click on start, and this time cancel. It's taking access to my screen. and in a few seconds it will detect my face and answer the questions over 50-50 option in which it will tell you two options if they are correct or wrong, and also we have the search in Google for 15 seconds option over here, where I'll get the Google window over here for 15 seconds. Yes, 15 seconds, and waiting for it to close. And yeah, it has closed over here. And if I also switch my tabs, it gives an warning. If I resize it gives a warning, and after three warnings it closes or disqualifies me automatically. And also I cannot right click over here. And the other features we wanted to add is that when we create an Android app or a desktop app version, we will be using the sensors, like what you see, magnetometer sensor that is provided in Android apps, which can detect magnets around them, and by that we can detect any electromagnets or devices near that thing, and we can just disqualify or give an alert or what do you say, pop up something like that, and alert him to keep the device away. As in Android we can give a toast. Let's see, I haven't developed that yet. Our team is working on that. Also, there is a audio speech synthesizer, where anything we talk, it converts to text, and it is also saved and given us after the end of the exam. The video and the text will be downloaded, and actually this is to go to the admin panel where we can manually again check if the student has what do you say, talked or did any malicious or unethical activities like keeping a mobile phone, watching at books, etc. So let me just finish this quiz over
You
here.
have given 5 correct answers.
So
Keep it up and try again to score higher marks.
it tells my score, and it has downloaded. And in a few seconds it will detect my face, and it has downloaded answer the questions over here. Also, actually that video should go to the admin panel. We haven't built backend yet, so we need to work on that also. And now if I go to my Gmail and check, I will be getting a mail over here. Yeah, I got a mail, and this mail is from qa.6sigma. Okay, hello qa.6sigma gmail.com, and we have the score over here and the total grade, which is 62%. Now I would like to talk about the future plans and the projects we have planned, but we haven't done that. Firstly is the YouTube AI dubbing. So we have already created an extension that creates subtitles, and it helps the user in learning multiple languages. One subtitle will be of the native language, and the other will be the language he wants to learn. And if he doesn't know any words, he can just hover on it, and he or she will get what do you say, the synonyms and things like that. So we can, for that extension we can just add a TTS library, say for and add a TTS library, and so that it reads the subtitles. We didn't have time, so we can just add a TTS library to this extension only that we have already developed. If we do a little bit more work on it, we can create a YouTube AI dubbing extension over there. And another thing is that we thought to develop a WhatsApp chatbot, and which uses the Doubtnut API. We will buy a phone number from Twilio, which we can, like when we send an image, it requests the Doubtnut API, and from that we can just get those results, like in the video solution of that question, in two or three of their mother tongues like Telugu, Hindi, and English. So the other product that we wanted to develop was Talk to Historical Figures, and this is uh, this is a website in which, like, all the current knowledge we have in books or internet is in a third person format, which is like, example, like there are two persons like A and B. The story between them is being narrated to us. but we are thinking to create a platform by which one can directly interview A or directly interview B. So, for example, we can just talk to Gandhi or Newton, Einstein, etc. using ChatGPT API. We can give some creative prompts, and along with the message that user types using concatenation, and show the result that ChatGPT gives us. So this will give an immersive learning experience for the students. And another app or website we wanted to develop is Finance for Teens 101, in which we build an interactive and intuitive application for teens to develop their stock market and finance knowledge, which has an inbuilt trading platform, and the premium users can get tele education from the top experts. And other ideas are Brainly Tools, which is a website where all AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Flicky, etc. are there, and also other useful tools like Visme, Canva, etc. And a little bit of chatbots, I guess. And everything would be there. We have already developed the design, so it looks something like this. Uh, he or she can just like search over here in the search bar, and using the filters he can get this category list, their description, try now, and the company it is being developed by. uh, that's it. And lastly, we thought to develop Mi Seva WhatsApp chatbot. This is a little bit of advanced project, and currently we cannot access the sensitive information like Aadhaar database and PAN card database or APIs to update them. But when if we collaborate with government, we can just create a WhatsApp chatbot in which the user can edit, update, or create or apply any of the services like Aadhaar update, Aadhaar PAN card link, and creating family membership certificate, etc. We can use some libraries like Aadhaar Read, which gets or scrapes the information from an Aadhaar picture, so that even illiterate people can use this. And also, as this is a WhatsApp chatbot, it also runs in low-end devices like keypad phones and other phones. We are working on this, and this Brainly Tools has come to an end, but needs some work. So hackathon duration is a little bit less, and we were not able to complete the total project. So we haven't listed them in the product section over here. So